Welcome to episode 2. Glad you could make it. Amy was going to start this off. Going to show everybody how to fuel a big truck. If you've never fueled a big truck, come along. If you have fueled a big truck, come along. I'm sure you guys have a lot of comments about fueling a truck and maybe the fuel island, like pulling up and all that kind of stuff. If you've done it for very long, I'm sure everybody has a comment about that. But we're going to do just some of the basics. We're not going to sit there and tell you all the do's and don'ts. We don't want to bore you to death. But unfortunately, before she can do that, I have to get this fixed. This is the second day in a row that I woke her up to this little tiny hole. It's not a very big one. I could patch it probably. Oh, but yeah, it's got a little hole here, so I'm starting her morning off. Wonderful, just like yesterday. All right, so what do you do when you go flat 2 mornings in a row and you wake your wife up? Yeah, you start making breakfast, man. That's what you start doing. Start making breakfast. What do you want, hon? And you wait. We're not going anywhere until that's fixed. And then she's got to get fuel. I left her with that burden as well. Oh, well, I haven't been a very good husband, driver, co-driver, whatever. I'll have to work on that. All right, we got our tire all fixed up. James is driving. Where are we going, James?
We're heading to Roanoke, Texas. We're going to drop this trailer in the Dallas area. Then we're going to pick up another one and head down to Webster, Texas. Then we're going to drive a little bit and pick up another one and head out to California. Riverside, I think. I think it's around the San Bernardino area. Hopefully we'll be able to get that one out of Webster relatively early so we can kind of take our time going to California, stop and get some showers and some grocery shopping.
Oh, that does
Shall
sound
see.
good. Yeah, we're kind of low on supplies.
Pop up the grill right beside the truck.
This side's on.
Put my marinated skirt steak on here. Doesn't take but a couple of minutes. There's one veggie we missed, so I'm just going to stick that right on there. Doesn't take very long. Steve normally times this stuff. He usually says 2 minutes per side. I never do. I kind of just play it by ear, by smell, by look. And a quick and easy side dish. If you get mini cucumbers or salad cucumbers, slice those up, half some cherry tomatoes, put just a little bit of salt on it, or maybe some Greek dressing or Northern Italian. And then you've got some more vegetables to go with other than the peppers and onions that'll go with the steak. Flame it up. Alright, I'll quit playing with it and just let it finish. And that's it.
Oh yeah. I'm a happy camper.
loyalty because you want those free showers. And then it's going to prompt you with some questions. Put in your truck number. I'm getting tractor fuel. You have a reefer, you'll just push both. I'm going to skip because I don't need the... Now it's going to ask me for my trailer number. I was all excited about this. Oh, trip number. Gotta do that one next. Sometimes your company will ask you for your mileage, our company doesn't. I was all excited whenever I got this trailer. Skip cash advance. You can get them. You usually have to call ahead to get permission. It takes a while. And I never like to do that anyway. Additional products, no. Because I don't like my check being short. And I don't want to print a receipt. Now it's authorizing. Just gonna make sure your nozzle is all the way in. If one of these rings gets caught on here, you're gonna set your nozzle to fuel and it's gonna pop out and you're gonna wind up with fuel everywhere. See, like this one doesn't want to stay, so I'm gonna have to hold it.
So now that we've fueled, what's the next thing?
Pull up to the, usually there's a yellow line. If you want to go inside, go to the bathroom, get a drink, get your receipt, then come back out.
So we're gonna pull up where that guy is?
Yeah. So the next person can get to the fuel island.
Oh, makes sense.
And whatever you do not go in and take a shower.
And when you pull up there, you can't take a shower?
No, it's not a parking space.
Huh. I guess I just never put two and two together.